Here I have LENOVO K6 Note, and let me show you how to enter the save mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's hold down on the power off right here. The following screen may pops up: reboot to save mode, tap OK to confirm it, and the device is restarting and booting into the save mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, the save mode pops up. Now you can use your device in a save mode. So basically you can check out how your device works without the third-party apps. And if you would like to quit this mode, let's simply press power key and choose restart, tap OK. The device is booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a few seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.